Okay, so this is your turn number 4. I usually never do your turns, but this one is kind of tricky, so I thought I would. It says, what is the area of the top lid of a can with a diameter of 5 inches? Okay, so one of the things about this that is tricky is the picture is a little bit misleading. It's extra information. We're only talking about the area of the lid. Okay, so the rest of this doesn't matter at all. This is a three-dimensional figure, but all we're talking about is the lid. The lid is a circle, and they're saying that the diameter is 5 inches. Okay, now they want the area. Okay, remember our area formula is pi r squared, which is pi times radius times radius. Okay, well, they didn't give us the radius, they gave us the diameter. So if the diameter is 5, remember your radius is exactly half of that. Half of 5 is 2.5. If you didn't know that, then go off to the side and divide it by 2. Okay, so the 7 right here, you're not using that. It's extra information. Something else that's tricky about this, if you look at your answer choices, they have the pi symbol in it. That is called leaving it in terms of pi. It's actually easier. That means that you don't have to multiply by 3 or 3.14. And it's actually a better answer. It's more exact because you don't ever round anything. So from there, this gets kind of easy. The pi goes right there. The radius is 2.5 times 2.5. Notice I didn't put a 3 or a 3.14 right there. And I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave the pi symbol there. Now I need to multiply these two things. 2.5 times 2.5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. For 0, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5, 2, 6. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal in the problem, so I need 2 in my answer. So that's 6.25. Remember, with multiplication, it does not matter what order you do it in. 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2. You get 6 either way. So I'm going to switch these. Because whenever you leave it in terms of pi, that's what this is, leaving it in terms of pi, pi always goes at the end. So this is going to be 6.25 pi. Okay, and that's A. You will get the exact answer because, again, you're not putting 3 or 3.14 in there. You're not doing any rounding. Okay. Now, if you did see this, don't go and tell everybody. It's your little reward for finding it.